Good morning, dear students. Students, in previous class we learnt 3-digit numbers subtraction with borrowing and without borrowing. In today's class we are going to learn lesson number 5, multiplication. After studying this lesson, we can construct tables from 6 to 10 and we can understand multiplication as repeated addition. Children, here multiplication means it's a repeated addition. Okay, multiplication means what? Repeated addition. Children, open your math textbook, page number 124, chapter 5, multiplication. Okay, see here, we'll read this. Third standard students prepared 5 types of flowers using colored papers. Among them, Pooja, Vishal, Bharat and Ramya exhibited the flowers holding in their hands. What is the total number of flowers held in their hands? Now, totally, how many flowers are there in their hands? See, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So, how many times here 5? How many times it's repeated? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this 5 is repeated 4 times. How many times repeated? 4 times. So, we'll write 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Children, this symbol will call multiplication symbol. This symbol, this symbol will call multiplication symbol. So, here this 5 number is repeated 4 times. So, what we'll do? We'll multiply. So, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So, the total number of flowers is held in their hands is totally 20. Okay. See, here example 1, they given situation of students standing in a line for morning prayer. Here number of lines. See children, in this picture you are looking now. Here how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3. In each line there are 10 students. Okay, in each line there are 10 students. So number of students in each line is 10. So total number of students standing for the prayer that we should find. So what we'll do? First we'll, in one group there are 10 students. In second group there are 10 students. In third group there are 10 students. So we'll write 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. So this 10, how many times we are repeated? See, 1, 2, 3. So this 10 we are repeated 3 times. So 10 into 3 is equal to 30. This 10 we are repeated here 3 times. So we'll write 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Multiplication is a short form of adding the same number repeatedly. Multiplication means short form of adding the same number repeatedly. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ 10ಅನ್ನು 3 ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೆದು ಇದನ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವೇಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ 10ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 1, 2, 3. ಸೊ 10 ಇಂಟು 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 10ಅನ್ನು 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 10 ಇಂಟು 3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ multiplication. So multiplication is repeated addition. See children, in example 2 there are 3 cows. Here how many cows are there? 1, 2, 3. So in that 3 cows, how many legs have they all together? See, for one cow there are 4 legs. Here how many cows are there? 3. So totally 3 cows. How many legs they have? We should find that. How we'll do? We'll calculate first. We'll write for one cow there are 4 legs. For second cow there are 4 legs. For third cow there are 4 legs. So this 4 will write 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So this 4 we are repeated 3 times. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. This will call multiplication. See in this picture, page number 126, exercise number 5.1. Write the addition form and multiplication form for the following. See in this in one column they given picture, second column they given addition format, in third column they given multiplication format. Now what we'll do? Yes, see first what is this, children? These are leaves. In each there are 3 leaves are there. Here 3 leaves, here 3 leaves. So what we'll do? This 3 will add 2 times. 3 plus 3. This 3 will write 2 times. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This will call addition format. Now this will write in multiplication format. Multiplication format how will write? This 3 how many times is repeated? 1, 2. So this 3 repeated 2 times. So we'll write 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Children, next here in this picture, what is this, children? These are ice creams. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 groups are there. In each group there are 2 ice creams are there. In each group there are 2 ice creams are there. So we'll write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this 2 will write 5 times. How many times will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 2 will write 5 times. So 2 into 5 is equal to how much? 2 into 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's so 10. So this for 2 we repeated 5 times. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now see here. Here ducks are there. There are 2 lines are there. In each line there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each line there are 6 ducks are there. So we'll write these 6 ducks 2 times we'll write. See here 1 time, here 1 time. So we'll repeat this 6 2 times. So 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So this will call addition format. Now we'll do this in multiplication format. See this 6, how many times we are repeated? 1, 2. So 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. See here, what are these, children? These are butterfly. In each group, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each group, there are 5 butterflies are there. So, in addition format, we will write 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now, this will call in addition format. Now, we should convert this into multiplication format. See, this 5, how many times we are repeated? 1, 2, 3. So, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Okay. Children, try to do this by yourself in your math textbook. Okay. Let's see a second main. Write in the multiplication format. See here, there are 2 columns are there. In one column, this will call addition format. They given in addition format. This addition format, we have to convert in multiplication format. One example they given here. Here, first here, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus, it's a 16. This 4, how many times we are repeated here? Now we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 we are repeated 4 times. So we'll write 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Like that only. See next, second one they given 15. 15 plus 15 is equal to that 30. So they given in addition format. This we should convert in multiplication format. So this 15 will write first, again into this 15. How many times we are repeated here? 1, 2. So we'll write 2. So 15 into 2 is equal to 30. See next, third one 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. So here 8, how many times we are repeated here? 1, 2, 3. So this 8 we are repeated 3 times. So we'll write in multiplication format 8 into 3. This 8 we are repeated 3 times. So 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Now, okay. Children, try to do this by yourself, these two. Okay. Thank you, children.